Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Honda Ridgeline remote. First, you will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task typically takes less than 5 minutes, so let's get started right away. The first step is to remove the mechanical key from your remote. Simply press the small release button on the back and slide the key out. Next, look for a small indentation or slot along the edge of the remote. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the remote should begin to separate. Once the remote halves are slightly separated, you can carefully pull them apart. You will see the round, coin-shaped battery inside. Before removing it, take a moment to observe which way the positive side is facing, usually indicated by a plus sign. Use your screwdriver to gently pop out the old battery. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces upwards. Now, carefully align the two halves of your remote and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Slide the mechanical key back into its slot. Finally, take your newly reassembled remote to your Honda Ridgeline and test its functions, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.